What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Facebook application and then tap on what's on your mind to start creating new post. I can add here some photo or video, I'll select that one. And now in order to add music to that post I need to tap here on edit function, and now I can add music here by two ways. I can tap there on music icon like that, and I can tap here on stickers. I can select music sticker, and this action brings up the same menu. Here I can add music. I can scroll down to look for songs. I can use their categories like weekend, date night, family, morning, birthday, love, and bunch of different other categories. Or I can also use search bar here to find the specific song that I need. If I want to listen that music, I can tap on play button and listen that music. And if I want to add that music to the post, I just tap here, and now music was added. I can tap on that text, and there I can change visibility of that song. I can I'll select that one and then tap done, and also I can adjust the beginning of the song. Just drag it to the left or to the right to select the exact time you need to start music playing from. And after you finish here, tap done, and now you can change the position of that sticker. You can move it right, left, you can rotate it. If you want, you can scale it up or down, and so on. And now you can continue creating your post as you normally do. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.